based on list of values. Condition based on list of values use in operator. Your condition based on range use between operator. Your condition is based on pattern use like operator. Your condition based on null then use is operator. Okay. So mainly what they identified so these comparisons. Okay now. So what they identified, so maximum then, so you come across these comparisons. Sometimes you have to compare with list, sometimes you have to compare with range, you have to compare with pattern, compare with null. So for these comparisons, they introduced different operators. Okay. Then, so in SQL, one most important writing queries. Writing queries is important. In writing queries, what is important is writing where condition is important. Okay, writing the where condition. Now, okay. Then, but if you see this, okay, if you see this table, then so we are using this table. Okay, na? Then what is the table we are using? EMP table. But the table contains what? 4-5 rows, very less amount of data. But to show the different examples, different queries, I need some table with more data. The table contains only less amount of data, but to show the different examples, I need some table with what? More. And plus, in our class, regularly, I drop the table, create the table, drop the table, because to show the different examples. So every time typing the create table command is what? Difficult. Yes or no? Every time writing the create table command, inserting, typing insert command is like time waste. So then, like there are some demo tables. Okay. Then, so use the demo tables. Okay, now then. So how to get the demo tables? There are some demo tables. Use the demo tables. How to get the demo tables? So to get the demo tables, so just go to this Google and type demo tables in SQL Server. Otherwise, type what is the table or EMP table. So there are some 4-5 tables are there. So like just type EMP table in what's it? SQL Server. Just type EMP table in SQL Server. So if you type EMP table in SQL Server, then so you'll get this. What is this is? EMP DEPT table script. EMP DEPT table script in SQL Server. Okay, then so just open this. Then what this contains is, so this contains table script. What this contains? This contains what's that? Table script. Table script means create table. Okay, this contains a script. Drop table EMP, drop table DEPT. Next one, create table what? EMP NO, numeric 4, not null. Ename, varchar of 10, job, varchar of 10, manager, numeric, hide date, date time. Understood? So this contains some create table script. So this is create table. Next one, what is this contains? Insert commands. Insert. Each insert command inserts one row. One insert command inserts one row. Like that, how many insert commands are there? 14 insert commands are there. How many insert commands? 14. That means how many rows are created? 14 rows. Now I use this table for the next queries. I want to use this table for the next queries. Okay, now then. So then what you do, like you copy the script, copy the script, copy the script. Now save this in a file. Copy the script, save this in a file. Then like create one file, because every time instead of going to Google, so if it is already there in our, okay, then SQL Server, what? SQL Server demo tables. So just I'm creating a file. In this file, you save that. So every time I don't need to go to Google. Just I go to this file, already script is there, copy and paste. I want to create these tables in, okay, na? I want to create these tables in what? In my SQL Server database, in my database. Okay, na? I want to create these tables in database. Then, so let's go to SQL Server, open your database. What is your database? DB7am. Open the database, DB7am. Now, DB7am. Next, what? Next, paste it. Paste it. So paste. Okay. Then, so click what? Execute. Then all the commands are executed. Whatever the commands you have written, all commands are executed one by one. All commands are executed one by one. So first it drops what? Tables. If tables are already there, so it will drop the tables. Drop table EMP. EMP table is what? Drop. If tables are already there, drop. Now let's see this. So now let me create this. So the tables are created plus what's it? The tables are created plus rows are inserted. Okay, na? So the table is created with how many columns? 8. One is number, name, job, manager, height date, salary, commission, department number. Employee number, name, job, manager, height date, salary, commission, department number. So table is created with 8 columns. How many rows? 14 rows. So let's see the table. I want to see the table. You know how to see the table? Select star. Select star from what? EMP. Select star from EMP. So it shows the EMP table. So the table is created with how many rows? 14 rows. Because how many insert commands are there in that file? 14 insert commands are there. Each insert command created one row. So I want to use this table for day-to-day practice. I want to use this table for explaining the examples. Okay, now? Then. Okay, now. So clear now? You also do the same thing. Otherwise, I do one thing. I'll add it to the Google Classroom. This file, I'll add it to the Google Classroom. Otherwise, what you do? Go to Google. Type what? EMP table in SQL Server. Okay, then. Okay, then. Now, so you learned some basic, okay, na? Query, basic queries. How to write where conditions by using different operators. Now, what the next one is? Next one is order by. Order by clause. Order by clause. Order by. What is the purpose of this order by? Order by is used for sorting. First listen. Order by is used for sorting. Sorting means what? Sorting means arranging. Sorting means what? Arranging. So you want to arrange. You see this table. In this table, how the data is arranged? How this data is arranged? If you observe this, how the data is arranged. This is arranged employee number wise. How this is arranged? Employee number wise. First 73, 74, 75, 76, 78. So it is employee number wise increasing order. Yes or no? But what user is asking? User want to arrange based on name wise. Alphabetically, A to Z. You want to arrange based on salary wise. You want to arrange based on what? Salary wise. You want to arrange based on what, sir? Height date wise. You want to arrange based on what? Department wise. Okay, na? In table, data is arranged employee number wise, but different users wants data in different order. One user is asking data in what? Alphabetically ascending order. One user wants date wise. One user wants salary wise. So different users wants data in different order. Then how to arrange? Okay, na? You see the bank statement. You see the bank statement. The statement in that statement contains transactions, your day-to-day transactions. But if you see that it is ordered based on date wise. It is ordered based on what's that? Date wise. Earliest to latest. Okay, now if you see the statement that is ordered, that is arranged based on what? Date wise. Okay. So similarly, here my table contains some data. I want to arrange this data. If you want to arrange, then order by clause comes into the picture. So here you write queries. You write queries. In queries, we use different what's it? Clauses. Different clauses. Okay, now different clauses are used for different purpose. You already know where clause. That is used to where clause. Where clause is used to like where clause is used to get specific rows. Used to get specific rows from the table. Filter. Filtering. You want to filter the data. To filter the data, where clause. Order by. Order by is used for sorting. Next comes what's it? Group by. Group by is for grouping. Filtering, sorting, grouping. Okay, na? So for different operations, we use different clauses. Okay, then so order by. So then order by clause is used to sort data based on one or more columns, either in ascending or in what? Descending order. So use it to sort data based on one or more columns, either in ascending or in descending order. Use it to sort data based on one or more columns, either in ascending or in descending. You know, ascending means lowest to highest. Descending means highest to lowest. Sir, okay. Then highest to lowest, lowest to highest. Now, and sorting is based on what? Sorting is based on columns. Sorting is based on column. You ask SQL Server, sort employees data. It cannot sort. You ask SQL Server, sort employees data. It cannot sort. So you have to ask like this, sort employees data based on name wise. Yes, it will sort. Sort employees data based on salary wise. Sort employees data based on date wise. Then it can sort. That means sorting is always based on some field column. Simply if you ask SQL Server sort data means it cannot sort. You have to ask like this: sort based on name, sort based on salary, sort based on height. Then it can sort. Okay, na? So that's why I said based on what? One or more columns, either in ascending or in descending order. We'll see that cases. We'll see everything. We'll see. Then, so how to write a query? You have to write query like this. If you want to use order by, you have to write query like this. From EMP, next one, what? Where column name, sorry, not column name, where what? In where what we write? Condition. We don't write column name. You write condition. Sir, okay now? Then, so next what? Order by column name, ASC or DESC. ASC means ascending. DESC means descending. Then ASC means what's that? For ascending order, ASC. For descending order, DESC. Then, Lakshmi, just attend the class, listen the class, everything you'll get. Okay, na? You attend, just enough. ASC means ascending, DESC means descending order. Then, and default order is what? Default order is what? Ascending. That means if you don't specify any order, by default SQL Server takes ascending order. If you don't mention any order, by default SQL Server takes ascending order. Then, okay. So in where class you write condition, in order by you write what? Column name. Where class purpose is different, order by purpose is different. Don't compare these two. Don't ask difference between where class and order by. Okay, now we see the difference. Similarities, like if there is a confusion between two, then we see the differences. But where purpose is different, order by purpose is different. We should not compare these two. Where is for selecting specific rows. Okay, na? Then from table, you want to see the specific rows, where class. What is order by? Sorting. Their purpose is different. We should not compare these two. Okay, then. Now, let's see some examples. Okay, na? Yeah. Let's see some examples. What this is? Like for example, what I'm asking is, so arrange what? Arrange, like, okay, then arrange employee list. Arrange employee list, what's it? Name wise, ascending order. I'm asking to arrange the employee list name wise ascending order. Then, so like follow the syntax. Follow the syntax and select what? Select star. Select star from EMP. Next one, order by ename. So I'm asking to arrange based on what? Name. Order by name. Order by column name. Order by which column? Name column. Ename. Which order? Ascending. But not compulsory. Not compulsory. Because default is also ascending. So, but if you want to mention, you can mention yes, no problem, but not compulsory. Okay. Then, so here sorting is based on what? Sorting is based on what? Name wise. So employee one is there. Just see this. Employee one, his name is K. His name is K. Salary is what? 5,000. Employee two, name is B. Salary is 4,000. Employee three, name is V. Salary is what? 6,000. Employee 4, name is D. Salary 3,000. Okay, now employee like this. Then I'll run this query. Then can you? What is the output? What is the output? So first name wise ascending. First which comes B. B, D, K, V. First which record is arranged first? Whose name equals to B is arranged first. Next one, which one is arranged? Name equals to D. 4D, what? 3,000. 4D, 3,000. Next one, which one is arranged? 1K, 5,000 is arranged. Next, which one is arranged? 3V, 6,000 is arranged next. Like that's so sorting is based on what? Name wise. Actual table is this. You'll get the output like this. Sir, okay, understood? Okay. So let's run this query. Let's run the query on our table. Then let's run the query. Okay, na? Let's run the query on this table. Let's run the query on this table. Yes or no? But in table, there are two employees' name starts with A. There are two employees' name starts with A. Then there are two employees' name starts with A. One is Ellen, one is Adams. Then what it will show? First it will show Adams. If first character is same, then it will check second character. If first one is same, then it checks second character. Second character DL, which comes first? D. First Adams, next Ellen. Okay, na? So run this here. Then you see this. So first it is showing Adams data. Next it is showing Ellen. Next showing Blake, Claire, Ford, like this. How it is arranged? Name wise ascending order. Then name wise ascending order. Yes or no? Then sir, understood? Next, suppose this is name wise, arranging based on what, sir? Name wise. Next, arrange what? Employee list, salary wise descending order. Then arrange employee list, salary wise descending order. So what is this is? Select sort from EMP, then order by salary what? Descending. So sorting is based on what? Descending order. We'll see. Then select sort from EMP, order by salary, descending. That means sorting is based on salary wise. Sorting is based on salary wise. Okay. Then salary wise descending means highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. So then now this is the actual table. This is the actual table. So like how we get the output? Then first we'll get what's that? 3V 6000, because descending means highest to lowest. First 6000, next one 1K 5000, next one 2B 4000, next 4D 3000, like this. Yes or no? Then so sorting is based on what? Salary wise. The previous one sorting based on name wise, but this is sorting based on salary wise. Okay, now. Okay. So run this. Then now sorting based on salary. So first what's it? First what? 5000. First 5000. Next 3000. 5000 to 800. In table 5000 is highest, 800 is lowest. So tell me how it is arranged. Highest to lowest. That means descending order or not? Yes. But it is salary wise descending order. You see that? You observe this. How it is sorting? Salary wise descending. Highest salary first, lowest salary last. Salary wise descending. But these two employees' salaries are what? Same. These two employees' salaries are same. So if the salaries are same, then which is displayed first? First it is showing 79024. Next it is showing 7788 Scott. So if salaries are same, it is sorting based on what's that? Height date wise. Okay, now it is taking something. Then here also salaries are what? Same. If salaries are same, it is sorting based on height date. 1981 February, 1981 September. So first it is sorting based on salary. So if salaries are same, it is sorting based on what? Height date. Automatically it is taking considering what's her height date. So these two employees' salaries are same. So how these two rows are arranged? Based on height date. Who joined first? Ford. Ford joined first. So that's why it is showing first Ford. Next Scott. Here. So these two employees who joined first? Ward joined first. That's why it is showing first Ward. Next it is showing Martin. Sir, understood? Okay, na? By default it is considering some field. If salaries are same, it is considering what? Height date. Who joined first? Sorting data based on height date wise. Then. Okay. Then same. In table, according to the table. In table, which is first, that is first. We'll see. Wait. Then now. Next, one more point is then one more point. Then in order by, okay, in order by, we can use column names. We can use column names and column numbers. In order by, we can use column names and column numbers. We can use column names or we can also use column numbers. We can use names or numbers. Okay, then. Now, so for example, select star from EMP. What is order by 6 DES? Select star from EMP order by 6. What is this query will? The above query what? Sorts data based on what's it? Based on Sixth column in EMP table. What is the sixth column in EMP table? 1 second. What is the first column? Number. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sixth column? Salary. So if you say 6 means sorting is based on sixth column. What is the sixth column is salary. Then that is what? Sal. That means this query will sort data based on salary wise. So in order by, we can use names or we can use numbers. Okay, now run this. Then run this query. So you see that how it is sorted salary wise, 5,000 to 800, sorted based on salary wise. Yes or no? I say 2, then 2. Sorting is based on second column. What is the second column? Name. Sorting is based on second column. Okay, na? Then see that A to Z. Yes or no? So 8, then sorting is based on department number. Sorting is based on department. First it is showing 10. Employees belongs to 10. Next it is showing employees belongs to 20. Next it is showing employees belongs to 30. First it is showing 10. Next 20. Next 30. Sorting based on department wise. Understood? But sometimes problem is, sir, if we use name, no problem. If we use name, no problem. Name okay. But if we use number, the problem is like you write something like this. Number, you are not writing star. You are not writing star. You are selecting fields, whatever the required fields. You are selecting specific fields. You are not selecting all the fields. So number, name, salary, department number. But I say, okay, na? I say 6, 6 or 8, whatever. Then what if this gives error? This gives error. Why? Because this number is not based on what table. This number is based on what's a select list. The number is not based on table. This number is based on what? Select list. In select list, how many fields you are selecting? 4 fields. But you are sorting based on 6th field. That's why it is giving error. So number is not based on table. The number is based on select list. In select list, you are selecting 4 fields, but you are sorting based on 6th field. That's why it is giving error. Understood? If you say select star means you are selecting what? You are selecting all the fields. Select star means you are selecting all the fields. 8 fields. You are selecting 8 fields. You can sort based on 6, no problem. But here you are not selecting all the fields. You are selecting only 4 fields, but you cannot sort based on 6th column. So if you say, then what it is gives, order by position 6 is what? Out of range. Sir, okay, na? Understood? If you want to sort based on salary wise, what number you have to give? You want to sort based on salary wise. What number you have to give? 3. You have to give 3. So 3 means third column. Third column in select. What is the third column in select? Salary. So let me run this. Now sorting is based on salary wise or not? Yes, salary wise ascending up. Understood? Then next, next one. So this is one point. This is one point, and another point is next one. Another point. Then now next, order by number is not based on what? Not based on what's the table, and it is based on what? Select list. Order by number is not based on table, it is based on what? Select list. That means, suppose I write query like this: select number name, salary, department number from EMP, what order by 6 DES. What is this query gives? Error. Okay, na? 6 is out of range. Error, because 6 is what's it? Order by 6 is out of range. Like 6 is what? Out of range. Then, so, but to sort based on salary, what number we have to use? 3. So then number, name, salary, department number, order by what's that? 3. Order by 3 descended. That's Vipul, please, online students, you have to wait. Everything will be covered. Wait. This is not one-to-one class. Okay, na? Then. So wait. Everything will be covered. Then. So now run this query. Then what this gives? This gives what's it? Salary wise what? Descending, ascending. Okay, na? Then. So if I say 4, then 4 means department number. 5 means error. 5 means error because 5 is out of range. Because how many columns you are selecting? 4 columns, but you are sorting based on 5th column, then it gives what's her error. Understood? Now, like, but in order by, can I write hide date? I'm using name, not using number. I'm using name. Can I sort based on hide date wise? Can I sort based on hide date wise? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay, na? It's not compulsory that this column should be selected. You are sorting based on hide date, but it's not compulsory that this column should be selected. So let's run this query. Then it is sorting. It is sorting based on hide date wise. It is sorting based on hide date wise. But if you see this output, you will not understand the sorting because you are not showing what you are sorting based on hide date, but you are not showing the hide date. Yes. Understood? Then you will not understand. So then show what's the hide date. If you show the hide date, then you will understand. So sorting is based on what's it? Sorting is based on hide date. So that means what is my what said here? Is it compulsory that this column should be selected in select? Is this compulsory that this column should be selected? Not compulsory. It's not compulsory that order by column should be selected. Okay, na? Then. So if you select, it will show. If you don't select, it will not show. Your sorting is based on hide date wise, but if you show, then you'll understand. Otherwise, you will not understand. This sorting is based on name, job, salary. You will not understand this output. So then select hide date also. If you select hide date, then it will show hide dates. That means you'll understand. Okay, sorting is based on what? Sorting is based on hide date. Is that okay? Then. Next. So hide date wise ascending 1981, 81. But all are joined in what's that? All are joined in one same year. If year is same, automatically it is sorting based on month. Month is also same. Then sorting based on what? Day. Sorting is based on day. Got it? So year is same, month is same, day. Okay. Okay, then that's all. Now you understood this. Sorting order by name, order by salary, order by 6, order by 3. Understood? Yeah. But in all these examples, you are sorting based on how many columns? Sorting is based on how many columns? One column. So sometimes, like, I want to sort based on multiple columns. Means, like, for example, you see this order by what's that? 4 SNA. Order by 4 SNA. Means what? Order by 4, what's that? SNA. Then means sorting is based on what? Sorry, 5. Sorting is based on department number. Sorting is based on department number. Yes or no? Fifth column, na? What is the fifth column? Department number. Sorting is based on department number. So you see this output. First it is showing employees belongs to 10. Next it is showing employees belongs to 20. Next it is showing employees belongs to 30. So sorting is based on department number. But you see this 3. Okay, you this 3. This 3. There are 3 employees belongs to 10. I want to arrange these 3 rows salary wise descending order. I want to arrange these 3 employees data salary wise descending order. So first I want to show what? 5,000. Next 24. Next 1,300. So within the department, I want to arrange based on salary. So let's see this. This 5 employees belongs to 20th. I want to arrange this 5 rows salary wise what? Descending order. First I want to show 3,000. Next 1,100. Next, sorry, 3,000. Next 2,975. Next 1,100. Next 800. I want to arrange this 5 rows salary wise descending. That means first sorting is based on department, and within the department sorting is based on salary. Understood? So that is why sometimes you come across sorting based on multiple columns. Like for example, what the question is, arrange employee list, department wise